Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can add the audio music to your CapCut PC app. I think this video especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So actually it is super simple. So how to add the audio music to your CapCut PC app. After you open the CapCut PC app, you are just going to select media and select import to add the audio music to your CapCut. So select your your music file in your folder. For example, just click open, and as you can see, the audio music has been added to your CapCut apps. Just drag to edit it. That's it. I hope this simple tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. So thank you so much for watching.